In this video, we're going over how to search and register for classes. Start by logging on to Nest, then selecting Register for Classes, and again, Register for Classes /add or drop. We recommend starting by clicking Prepare for Registration. This will give you an opportunity to review if you have any holds on your account. Registration holds will prevent you from registering, so you want to take care of those first. If everything looks good, you're ready to register. Now you can select Register for Classes. For this example, we'll be using Summer 2021. You can start by clicking Find Classes and looking up individual courses. If you already know the CRN or course reference number for the specific class you'd like to register for, you can also add that in directly. For this registration example, we're going to look up CMST 101. At the top of the screen, you can see the number of search results that came back. At the bottom of the screen, you can also change the number of results you view per page. If you'd like to know more information about a particular section, you can click on the title of the course. This will then open class details for the course. Here you can see the instructional modality or instructional method for the course. You can also get more information about the course, such as the course description, and see the schedule for the course. Once you find a section of a course that you like, you can then click Add. This will add the class to your summary. It is very important to be aware that registration is a two-step process. First, you add the class to your summary, and then you must click Submit. If the status says pending, you are not registered for this class yet. Once you hit Submit, the status should change to Registered. If the class says Registered, it is officially on your account. Please note that a class can fill while it is pending in your registration summary, so it's important to hit Submit. If you have added a class that you no longer want, you can move the action to drop and then click Submit. The status should then show as deleted. This class is no longer on your account. Sometimes when students register for a class, they may see a status that says errors preventing registration. You can review the message at the top. In this particular case, this course requires a prerequisite or a test prior to taking it. If you have concerns about an error message that you are receiving, you can always reach out to your advisor for additional assistance. And that is how you search and register for classes. Check out our video on using advanced search features for more tips.